In this video I will show you how to quickly change your DNS servers using PowerShell in Windows OS. This method works on Windows 10, 11 as well as Windows Server. For this, go to search and type PowerShell and then run it as administrator. Now in PowerShell type following Get-NetAdapter command. This will display all your network interface name. In my case I am using Wi-Fi network, so I will use following command with interface as Wi-Fi to set DNS server. This 8.8.8.8 is Google DNS server. So copy this command and then right-click on mouse on command prompt to paste down the command and then press enter. In my case DNS server is set to Google server. Now to confirm DNS is set, type following Get-DnsClientServerAddress. You can see Google DNS server is set successfully. If you like, you can use Cloudflare DNS server that is 1.1.1.0 as shown here. Again, you can check DNS is set to Cloudflare DNS server or not. You can set it as set to Cloudflare. Now let's look how to revert to automatic DNS for this, type following command. I will provide this command in description. Now we have revert to automatic DNS. Now go and check the DNS again. You can see it is now set to router. Hope you like this. Please like, share and subscribe for similar videos. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.